This is the A flat major scale. So the A flat major scale has 4 flats. It's the B flat that you finger like this, 1, 2 fingers in your left hand and the side key here. It's the E flat, that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the pinky down here on the upper of these two. And then there's the A flat, obviously, as it's A flat major. And A flat major is 1, 2, 3, and this upper key here on these 4 plates. You have 4 different keys for your left pinky. It's the upper one there. So 1, 2, 3, that's the A flat. And then finally D flat. And that's the same fingering as C sharp, and that's pressing no button at all. So like this. So those are the 4 flat notes within the A flat major scale. All right, so with that out of the way, let's walk through each and every note, and after that we're gonna play this together. So get your saxophone up, get ready. We're gonna walk through the fingerings now. So we're gonna start off with that A flat. So 1, 2, 3, A flat. From A flat, next note is B flat. So 1, 2, and side key. Next note is gonna be the C note. After that, it's the D flat. After that, we have the E flat, and this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you need to add the pinky down here. And as we're moving upwards, you also need to add the octave key here on the back. So that's your left thumb. So from E flat moving up, F with octave key, G with octave key, and then A flat with octave key. All right, I think you're ready. Let's try this out. Get ready. We're gonna play this slowly together, starting from low A flat. Okay, here we go. Now you know the fingerings and how to play this upwards. What about playing it downwards? So starting from that high A flat going downwards. Let's try that as well. So now you will start with the A flat fingering with the octave key. So we're at that top note going downwards. So it's gonna be A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat. It's still the same notes, but it will feel a little bit different. So that's why this is also a good exercise. So let's get ready. We're gonna start from that A flat with octave key and go downwards. Here we go. Okay, so wrapping up, we're gonna do one last thing here, and we're gonna start from low A flat, play up to high A flat, and then back down to low A flat again. So get your saxophone ready, and let's do this together. Starting from low A flat. Here we go. Take a breath, starting from high A flat, back down. Alright, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.